gotta shake them down.
Harder. There you go. Your way. That should be good. All right, now take off the top, and then you're ready to start. Okay, you got a tool. I'll just keep my finger on this just to make sure that clean doesn't come out by mistake. Yeah, that's always one of the most difficult parts of the operation. All right, now after he takes that out, when we'll let you take the queen out.
Okay, our queen's names are Patagonia and Columbia. And it's funny because Miss Eichhorn's hoodie is Patagonia, so I started like chuckling.
Go ahead.
What's the chances?
Pick it up, yeah, right there.
Why did you choose those names?
Because they're like shirts I wear, and I'm wearing my Patagonia shirt right now.
All right. Let me close that. Let me get my brush.
Yeah, look,
yeah, this is the Patagonia hive.
Here, we'll brush this off.
Look at her. She's
look
just
how well
going.
you can see her.
This is the queen for this one's Patagonia.
Okay.
On her back.
That's fine. I like the naming. You see her? All right.
We need
now,
to get
Andy, you just pulled that thing off with your hand, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and pull that off with your hand. Hold on tight, though, so you don't want to drop her.
Yep.
Good deal.
All right.
Now we're just going to stick. There you go. You want to put her in?
No, she goes right there. Oh, right in there. That way she's between, so she's protected, and the bees will go around her. Right now, you can pick up the package and put that inside here. There you go. Right in there. We already checked the screw. Should not be a problem. It's probably the slugs down. There you go. That's fine. Let's just make sure it's even in there. All right, now. We're going to get ready to take off the top. Let me get this. Go ahead and take the top off. Take that top off. All right.
I thought it was on. Is it not on?
It's on. Now take that inner cover. Put that inner cover on. Oh, here. I'll tell you what. Let me get this. Go ahead. Put the inner cover on. First thing you do is make sure it's on there. Good, right? And then do this. And you wait for it to stop dripping off a little bit. See? It's going like a natural suction. There's a big hole. Perfect. You know what? We're still missing a box. This is a box. We need a box and a shim in order to put this. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a box on. The reason you put the shim on is because the bars will stick.
You holding that?
Yeah.
And then, I brought the cedar shim. He had it. And
I think there might be one. Here he comes. Hey, is there one hive body up there too for the super? Okay.
You'll just open that with a can opener and recycle it by pouring it into your jars. And then when you remove that package, if there's any bees left, and there may be, you just set it right here and they'll just fly into the hive. You let it sit for an afternoon. Those bees will come out, and then the package can be a
They'll just
souvenir.
crawl right in.
Yeah, they'll just go right in. All right, there you go. So all we need is the super and the top and the rock, and we're done. Does it not have a rear entrance on?
Oh, hey, girls. You might want to
This one does not.
No,
you
that
see one there? No.
It is nice to have.
Hey, girls. You guys taking cover from the rain?
You know what? I didn't. My second one.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Because I was new.
Right.
I was just buying all the hardware.
Right.
So my inner cover didn't have one.
Right.
So when I set mine's a little bit set. I've got a 1 gallon feeder in each one.
Okay.
When I set up, I was like, dang it, because I wanted them so, because the one that does have it,
Yeah.
they're preferring to use that.
I have seen them, depending on the orientation,
my mentor. This is Andy Condry. You know my middle name's Andrew, right?
That's a good name. Good name.
South and who I'm mentoring. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. My name's Noah Lewis. Lewis Beekeeping and Apiaries. We're done.